Alright lads, got for you a 7-penner. It's a get that in focus. TrioVing, something like that. It's not British, I know that. Oval cylinder. Came from Jynx. Cheers for that, pal. It's a nice horrible lock. I've not picked it yet. I'm going to go doing it. I keep having a bash at it on camera. Hopefully I'll catch it. Where's me picks? Go with this one. It's a very misleading lock. Lots and lots of false sets. It's like back forth, it's crazy. Pin somewhere that's not set properly. I'm not sure which one it is, so I'm going to go and check all of them now until I find it and get into a false set again. There we go. The springs are quite tough in this as well. I mean, all the springs then, something was half set when you've not got a proper false set, and you get the counter rotation pushing back against your wrench after you've just set something. So there's obviously something else that needs setting to get that real false set back. But with these springs that are quite strong, you're feeling the pins and you're not actually feeling any resistance at all against anything, unless you've got a really deep hook and then something just pops and it goes back into a false set again. It's a really horrible lock, this one. I usually get up to this stage and it all just goes horribly wrong. It's a proper 1 step forward, 2 step backwards for this. Well, it feels as though that's what's happening. You get counter rotation on pretty much everything. Pick stuck. It's hooked over the back. Bloody raining. Mind you, I won't want to spend me rainy Sundays doing hotels, to be honest with you. Problem is, I've got to go and walk my dogs in this bloody thing. Oh, wicked false set on that. Well happy with that. You can see that. If you line up the writing with the keyway, problem is this is where it goes tits up. Problem is, you get counter rotation on particular pins, and you start to push it down, and you can feel other pins wanting to come back up. You can almost feel them rattling up, and it's like, do you let go and try a different one, or do you persevere with it? And stuck again. I know I'm moaning about this lock, but I do like it. I really need to something else clicked in there. Don't know if you heard that. Minutes. Tell you what, I've never had a lock that makes your hand get so much cramp in it when you're trying to bloody pick it. First and second pin gets reset every time. There we go. There you go, Jynxie. TrioVing, single pin picked. That was just for you, pal. And unfortunately, I'm going to have to give this one the fingers because it has been such a bastard to pick. So what I'm going to do now for you, I'm going to gut it. Just to show you what is actually inside that you watch, there'll be just standard pins in it. Let's find myself a pinning tray. I've got no key with it, so I can't show you the bit in on it. I've never taken one of these apart either, so I've got no idea what's in store for me trying to clip off. Find a key to stick in it. Ain't losing this one. Don't know how this bloody thing comes apart. Tell you what, I'll stick a tension wrench in it. That kind of fell to bits a little bit. But not to worry. I think I'm going to make a the pig's ear of this one, mate, I think. Right, here's the top pins. Oops. There's only 6 pins in this one, even though it's supposed to be a 7-pinner. Now the drivers. Pin 1, double spool thing. Right, bloody heavy that. Let's get something white to slip this under, and you'll be able to see the pins a bit better. You've got these, the light weird double-ended mushroom spool things, really strange. If I can find my tweezers. There you go, really strange. So yeah, you're gonna get like 2 false sets on each pin, and all 6 are like that. I know this is a bit of a long video, but as Jynx sent me this one, I want to show him what's inside it. The springs are quite big as well, and there's only 6 pins in this 7-pinner plug. So anyway, yeah, cheers for that, guys. That was a TrioVing, whatever. Nice one, Jynx. Now if you like that, come and join us on uklocksport.co.uk. Nice one.